Hi guys, today we are going to discuss about gastric acidity, acid reflux, GERD problems in health problems and natural remedies. Okay, this is how it follows. First, we'll be discussing about list of concoctions. Next, diet plan with millets. Next, the important thing, exercise. Okay, last one, what to avoid means what foods to avoid. Okay, so basically you are taking betel leaves. Two or three are sufficient because the leaf size is quite big enough. Okay, to make concoction. Okay, next Indian beech leaf. Okay, take 3 to 4. Okay, and it's better if you take the leaves in tender form. Okay, 4 to 5 then. Okay, to make concoction. At the end of the video it will be shown how to make concoction using Indian beech. Okay, and you can follow the similar procedure for every leaf and every seed also. Okay, next fenugreek seed. Okay, here you have to take 10 to 13 fenugreek seeds to make kashayam concoction. Cumin seeds take 15 to 20 to make concoction. Okay, next senna auriculata leaves. Okay, take 15 to 20 leaves to make concoction. Okay, and the procedure for making concoction is similar. Okay, Indian mallow leaves take 4 to 5 leaves to make concoction. So this is the plan. First week you will be making with betel leaves. Second week Indian beech leaves. Third week fenugreek seeds. Fourth week cumin seeds. Fifth week senna auriculata. Okay, sixth week Indian mallow leaves. Note, if you do not find any one or two of the above, still continue with the remaining leaves. Let's say you didn't get Indian mallow leaves. Okay, leave that. After fifth week, you have to go back to betel leaves. Okay, you have to repeat this sequence till you get recovered from the disease. Okay, and one more important thing is you have to take concoction on empty stomach. Okay, empty stomach means you can drink water. Okay, if you want to drink water in the early in the morning, have water. If you are taking 1 liter of water, wait for 1 hour and have your concoction. Okay, like that. Second important note is you have to maintain 45 minutes to 1 hour gap between your concoction and the next meal. Okay, yes, you have to make millets or millet porridge, millet rice or millet porridge using millets only. For 2 days you have to completely take foxtail millets. Okay, in any form. If you are taking if you are having 3 meals a day, yeah, all the 3 meals you have to cook with the foxtail millets only. Okay, next brown top millets 2 days, little millets 2 days, kodo millets 2 days, right? Barnyard millets 2 days. So this is 10-day cycle. You have to repeat this cycle and you have to take whole grain. Okay, not refined millets. Okay, this is the diet plan. Eat these millets alternatively for this 10-day schedule. Repeat this sequence till you get recovered from the disease. Eat millets in porridge form for early recovery. If the problem is severe, you have to take millets in the porridge form. No rice, no bread, no wheat products till the recovery. Use only cold pressed oils or wood pressed oils. Okay. How to cook millets? Cook it either like rice or make millet porridge. Add 3 glasses of water for 1 glass of millet. Soak it for 8 hours and cook it either on open top or pressure cooker. But better to avoid pressure cooking if you have plenty of time. Okay. Making millet porridge. Use either granulated millets or whole millets. Add 6 to 8 glasses of water or 10 glasses of water for 1 glass of millet. Soak it for 8 hours. Cook it on a open top vessel. Once it is cooked, let it become cooled by opening the lid. Tie the top using a cotton cloth once it is cooled down. Okay, keep it aside for 8 to 10 hours and then eat it. Okay, if it is summer, you can eat it after 6 to 7 hours. Okay, the most important point is exercise. This is necessary. Walk for 1 hour minimum a day and increase your walking time slowly day by day. Next, foods to avoid: all milk and all dairy products, rice and wheat products, refined oils, sugar, jaggery. If you want to have sugary foods, you can have palm jaggery, dates, okay, and honey. These are the substitutes, healthy substitutes for sugar and jaggery. Wheat powder and refined wheat powder also you shouldn't consume. Tea, coffee also you shouldn't take. All bakery products, all polished millets or refined millets. Okay. Non-vegetarian food, cool drinks, pizzas, burgers, pastas, noodles, all canned foods, all ready-made foods, all ready-to-eat foods you have to avoid. Next, you are going to look at how to make concoction. Now we are making concoction with Indian beech leaves. Take 200 to 300 ml of water. Okay, let it get boiled up first. Okay, once it get boiled up, then you have to add leaves. Okay, Indian beech leaves. Yeah, it got boiled up, right? 4 to 5 or 5 to 6 depending upon the size of the leaf. Okay, take that color leaf, yellow color leaves, then it will be tasty. You need not require any uh, palm jaggery to consume. Okay, let it get boiled up for again 3 minutes. Okay, so it got boiled up. You have to keep it for again 3 to 4 minutes aside. Okay, then you have to filter it to have concoction. Okay, better to take tender leaves. Okay, yellow color. And also one more important thing is you have to boil the water in a very low flame. Okay, everything has to be done in low flame. Okay, just now it got boiled up. I am keeping it aside for 4 minutes. Yes, 4 minutes is over. Okay, we are now going to filter it out. Okay, oh, it's little bit hard. Okay, like this, using a filter. Okay, I suggest you to use a separate filter for this. Okay, not tea filter. Okay, yeah, that's it. You're almost done. Fine. Okay, now you can drink it. You can have it uh, using a spoon. Okay, preferably using a spoon. Okay. See how beautiful this nature is. You also start planting the trees. Let us bring a new change in our society. Let us plant the trees and let others plant the trees. Let's take this pledge seriously from now. Thank you.